Okay, now we will fill color in our Pepsi can. Open it, delete. We can delete this image. Press delete from your keyboard. Now from color, select this. Fill color. We will make any of color. Is this okay? No. Okay, this one is good. Our Pepsi is hiding. We make it dark. Okay, black is good. Black is fine. Now just right click, select arrange, send backward, send again backward, send backward to backward. Okay, now we will fill color in different parts. Just select this. We will fill gray here. Okay, this one is nice. Fourth one. Just we will choose for faster coloring, live paint bucket. Choose all of them. Now like okay, no worries. We will do it from this. Just select this one, bottom one, all of them selected. So we have to ungroup this, and for ungroup you can do this from here. Shift Control plus G also. Now we can select the bottom one, change the color. Now we will select this one, change the color. Done. For this also, just select this, fill the color. Just choose this. Okay, now looking nice. Adding some details. We don't want any stroke. For live paint bucket we will select this color. Decrease the opacity to 55%. We can make more details like this. 10%. Oh, this is not visible. Okay, make it 30. Now okay. Just press Alt from this. Okay, now just make a rectangle here. We will cut this and we will decrease this opacity. Okay, make it thin. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Arrange it so it look nice. Okay, nice. Now we will do this. Increase the stroke. I will tell you later why I'm doing this. We'll take pen tool. No colors. Okay, so now just select this and do this width tool. Now you can adjust width from here. We will choose this. You can make any shape you want. It will look nice. For the next thing also you can do this. Just click on stroke and do this. If you want a new shape you have to do it manually. Okay, now adding some more details. Just increase the stroke, change the line pattern, and just you can just simply right click, transform, reflect, just copy it. You can make a copy of this and we will make a small little line here. Okay, we'll change this one to this, select, and it's done. If you want to change the background color. You can just simply make a rectangle here, right click here, arrange and send back to back. Now you can change the color, any color you want. Yellow is looking so nice. Gray, pink, red, green, yellow not good. Gradient also, you can choose some gradient colors. Okay, this one's nice. Okay, we will choose this blue gradient. Okay, let's meet in our next lecture.